Hi math lovers! Let's see who can solve this algebraic equation and find the value of x. As you see, we have all x's in this equation. We have x to the power of square root of x equals to square root of x to the power of x. Let's do this way. Let's keep first one same way, x to the power of square root of x equals to this radical sign I will make as an exponent. X to the power of radical sign is 1 over 2. And then another power of x. I hope you remember this famous formula. A to the power of n, another power of m, equals to a to the power of n times m. So this part, we will multiply these exponents together. We will have here x to the power of square root of x equals to x to the power of 1 over 2 times x will be x over 2. Now you see we have same basis in both sides. We have x. X can be any number, but if we have they are same, that means if they are equal, exponents are equal to each other too. We will write down without basis, just exponents are equal to each other. X over 2. So this part shows the bases are same. Now we have square root of x equals x over 2. I will make both sides square. Whatever you do in one side, you have to do the other side too, to keep the balance of the equality. So we have here this radical sign will go away. In left side, we will left with x equals to, in right side, if we have fractions squared, this square belongs to both numerator and denominator. We will have x squared divided by 4. Now I will cross multiply 4 with x, or we say multiply both sides with 4. So this 4 fraction will go away. With this one, we will have 4x equals to x squared. Now I will take this next to x squared and it will change the sign. Let's continue from here. X squared minus 4x equals to 0. Let's factor out x because in both cases we have x, right? As a factor, we can factor out. This will be x minus, if x squared divided by x remains only x. 4x divided by x will remain only 4 equals to 0. If two things we multiply, two factors, we multiply and answer is 0, this means this x can be 0 or x minus 4 can be equal to 0, where x equals 4 will go to the other side, become positive 4. So we will have two answers, 0 and 4 are the answers of this problem. We can check, let's check if we did correctly. 0 is already clear, we see 0 to the power of 0. I would say also 1 can be the answer too. 1 to the power of square root of 1 equals to, but this is just obvious. Let's check if 4 is the solution. 4 to the power of square root of 4 equals to square root of 4 to the power of 4. 4 to the power of square root of 4 is 2, right? 4 to the power of 2, this way, equals to square root of 4 is 2 to the power of 4. This is equal to 16 equals to 2 to the power of 4 is also 16. So 4 can be the solution for this algebraic equation. Thank you for following. Please share and subscribe.